Can I amend my filed TurboTax return to include a 1095-C form that I forgot to add initially?
Hello there. We're here today to guide you on how to amend your TurboTax return if you've forgotten to include your 1095-C form. It's quite common for this to happen, and fortunately, it's not too difficult to fix.
What is Form 1095 circa?
Form 1095-C is a tax form under the Affordable Care Act, Obamacare. It provides information about health insurance coverage provided by your employer. Remember, you don't actually include this form with your tax return, but it's crucial for completing other parts of your return accurately.
Do you need to amend your tax return?
Before moving forward, it's vital to know whether you actually need to amend your tax return. The 1095-C form is primarily for your records and is not usually included when you file your tax return. However, if you realized you made a mistake related to health insurance reporting, you might need to amend your return.
How to amend your return using TurboTax?
Assuming you do need to amend your return, let's dive into the steps. 1. Open your TurboTax account and select the tax return you want to amend. 2. In the menu, click on Amend, Change, Return. 3. Follow the prompts provided by TurboTax to amend your tax return. Make the necessary changes related to your 1095-C form. 4. After making your amendments, you'll need to refile your tax return. Note that this has to be mailed. The IRS does not accept amended returns electronically.
What happens after you amend your return?
After you've mailed your amended return, you can expect a longer processing time than with a regular tax return. The IRS can take up to 16 weeks to process an amended return. You can use the IRS's "Where's My Amended Return" tool to track its status. Amending your tax return can seem like a daunting task, but with the right guidance and a bit of patience, it's quite manageable. We hope this video was helpful in understanding how to amend your TurboTax return to account for a missed 1095-C form. Remember, everyone makes mistakes, and the most important thing is to correct them. Happy filing!